There are also some special dining packages that you can book. The World of Color Dessert Party allows you to experience World of Color from premium seats while enjoying a selection of desserts and cheeses. It even includes an alcoholic beverage for guests 21 and older. Pricing is $89 per guest. Children 2 and under can attend for free, provided they can sit on the lap of an adult. There are also dining packages for World of Color at the dinner buffet at Storytellers Cafe, lunch or dinner at Wine Country Trattoria, or lunch or dinner at the Magic Key Terrace for Magic Key holders only. These dining options include a voucher for the World of Color preferred viewing area. You can make reservations to dine at these restaurants, but you can't book the dining packages via reservation. You need to notify your server if you want the World of Color dining package. Sometimes the Sonoma Terrace offers parade viewing dining packages if there are parades running at DCA. Guests can enjoy a selection of desserts, cheeses, and other foods, as well as unlimited soft drinks and bottled water, coffee, and a specialty mocktail, all from a reserved viewing area. Just go to the Disney website and see if they're currently offering something that you can reserve. Pricing is $89 per guest. There's currently a Magic Happens Parade dining package that you can reserve at the Plaza Inn at Disneyland. There are several meal options and water or soft drinks are included. Your meal comes with a voucher to watch a parade from a special viewing area. Prices are $55 for adults and $28 for kids. Advanced reservations are highly recommended. There are also sometimes fireworks dining packages at the plaza, but they're more rare and usually for holidays like Halloween time, 4th of July, Christmas, and New Year's. You can also get dining packages for Fantasmic. There are 3 restaurant options for this. At the Blue Bayou, you can get a premium package, which is a 4-course lunch or dinner and a voucher that admits you to a separate viewing location to watch Fantasmic from. Prices start at $89 per adult and $35 for kids aged 3 to 9. There are 2 packages at the River Belle Terrace. The premium package is a 3-course dinner, and you can watch Fantasmic seated at your table while you're enjoying your meal. This package is $89 for adults and $45 for kids. The standard package for the River Belle Terrace is a 3-course meal for brunch or dinner, and you receive a voucher to a separate viewing location to watch Fantasmic. The price for this is $55 for adults and $30 for kids aged 3 to 9. And finally, for Fantasmic, you can get a 3-course meal for lunch or dinner from Rancho del Zocalo that comes with a voucher to view Fantasmic from a special viewing location. Packages are $35 for adults and $25 for kids, ages 3 to 9. Availability and reservation booking can all be found on the Disneyland website. You can also get a dining package at the Tomorrowland Skyline Terrace, which is an elevated area in Tomorrowland that you can view the fireworks from and take in the evening vibe of Tomorrowland. You can book this just to relax and take in the atmosphere, but the best part of this is the fireworks, if they are showing that evening. You can see them over the Matterhorn, but you can't see the castle or projections from this vantage point. Note that if any of the fireworks shows are cancelled due to weather, usually high winds, Disney doesn't refund you. You do have access to the lounge/viewing area all evening, and you can come and go up until 10 p.m. The price for this is $70 for adults and kids, although kids under 2 can sit on a lap for free. Apparently, there are games and entertainment for everyone to enjoy as well. The Disney website says that the menu options may include cold sandwiches, composed salads, cheese and crackers, fruit, pastries, chocolate, plus a specialty-themed non-alcoholic beverage, unlimited soft drinks, bottled water, or hot chocolate. And now we get to talk about my personal favorite type of dining at Disneyland, character dining. These are so wonderful, whether you're visiting the park by yourself, with family, with friends, with kids, without kids. They're just so much fun. The options for character dining are Minnie and Friends breakfast in the park at the Plaza Inn. This is a breakfast buffet in the park. You need to have a valid park ticket and a reservation for this experience. Adults are $46 and kids from ages 3 to 9 are $27. There is also Goofy's Kitchen at the Disneyland Hotel. This is a breakfast or dinner buffet. The breakfast price for adults is $52 and for kids ages 3 to 9 it's $31. Dinner is $59 for adults and $34 for kids. Mickey's Tales of Adventure breakfast buffet is at the Storytellers Cafe at the Grand Californian Hotel. The character dining covers breakfast and brunch, and adults cost $52, while kids from ages 3 to 9 are $31. And finally, there's the Disney Princess Breakfast Adventurez at the Napa Rose at the Grand Californian Hotel. This is a 3-course breakfast meal. It's a high-end dining experience, and children and adults are both $135 each. Okay, so if you've stuck with me this far into the series and you've seen my previous videos, we've covered getting to Anaheim, getting around Anaheim, where to stay, how to get tickets, and what to eat. Stay tuned for our next video where I go over some strategies to enjoy your best day ever at Disneyland. And if this is too much to remember, grab a copy of my ebook when it's released in early September. It's packed with everything you'll learn in these videos, plus extra secrets, tips, and some Disney history to make your trip even more magical. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.